What's up, everybody? It's Nick from AN Collect coming at you with Allen and Ginter, a guaranteed break start time. These are the people in the break. Those are the teams they got. Here we go. Here we go. Going to be at the warehouse today, sorting, and I just shipped eBay breaks from this week. They will be picked up today. And we're getting ready to move to the store. I talked to the contractors. They're going to be done a little late, so I got to call the warehouse landlord and let them know be moving out around the 10th. Box topper cards, unless they're numbered like this. Oh, it's a rip card to the Mets. Anybody picked? Oh, nobody got the Mets. I'll probably rip this. I'll probably rip this in another video, guys. So stay tuned. Maybe I'll do it live, since it is my card. Very nice. And I don't feel bad ripping it because it's like a player I don't like, and it's not a rookie, so it's numbered to 88 too, so it should be a decent rip card. Stay tuned, fellas. And ladies. Everything ships. Unless you're Sean, then everything gets dropped off. Or you pick it up at the shop. Whatever comes first. We'll rip and stack them. I don't see anything framed yet. But we should have 3 hits per box. Hit is going to be a rip card, a relic, or autograph. In Allen and Ginter, it's usually 4 autos per case. Or 4 autos per case, yeah. And one 101, which is a printing plate. One or 2 rip cards. Which I don't know if that would count as a pack rip card because it's a box topper. The rest are all relics or printing plates. Also, the 101 bonus is at $30. Anyone in this break will be added to our giveaway, but it won't count towards a break in the giveaway because we're not even half full. So we're at 0 breaks filled for the giveaways. But there are people in the giveaways, so. And also the select break, same thing. It'll be, won't count towards the giveaway, but those people will be in the giveaway, if you know what I mean. So it's kind of a boring time in sports. I mean, the Bills game being moved, kind of news. But it's that part of the football season where things are kind of leveling off. Like, we've got the teams that we know aren't going to be in the playoffs. We got the teams that we know are going to be in the playoffs and are fighting for their positions. Probably the next, about week 14 is when football will start heating up again. So here we go. We got Pedro for the Red Sox. It's not Sonny Gray, is it? Josiah Gray. Moore. Robert. I'll stop at the known. Martin Sheen. Hot dog. We got the hot dog card. If you guys remember, my first break, I think it was, of Ginter, we pulled the Sea Monkeys. And that was like a huge card back then. We got Jim Cott. Why is that backwards? It's a variation. Andre Dawson for the Nationals. Reggie Jackson. Trevor Story. Manuel Rivera. Rookie. Is that? That looks like an old style Ginter. A few years ago. Hank Aaron for the Bravos. Bob Feller for the Indians. Regular back. Jackie Robinson. And Jared Kelenic, regular back. So far, no special minis. No hits. Oh, we got a Ginter back coming up. Chili powder. Imagine if we get a chili powder relic card. That'll be amazing. Bradley Beal for the not baseball spot. Whoever picked up that spot picked up probably the spot with the most hits today. Otani. Willie Mays. More, that's not numbered. It's the black border. Aaron Judge, Rookie of the Year. Yogi Berra. Some kind of fruit. Prickly Pear. Regular back. George Bush and Al Gore. Sean's going to love that card. And our first Allen and Ginter back is going to be Al Kaline for the Tigers. Jorge Soler for the Braves, I believe that is. Forgot he moved there. And our first relic card is for the Mets. David Wright, relic card. And our next mini is going to be Cueto. Johnny Cueto, regular. Famous rivals, Lee and Grant. That is going to be Robert E. Lee and Ulysses S. Grant. Anthony Rizzo. A Bobo. He's a musician, Eric Bobo. You're going to learn here today. Inside the park, that is Kings Canyon National Park. Allen and Ginter gives you education along with your rip. Roberto Clemente, Babe Ruth. Another black border. Nico Horner. Frank Thomas, Mazeroski. Tony Olivia, and Nick Lodolo. Bon Mi. Sean's going to be hungry after looking at his cards. Pedro Martinez. Lorenzo Cain. Hank Greenberg. International Trading Card Day. That'll go to Sean. Lopez. Mariano. Rod Carew. Roger Maris. Samuel Rivera. Derek Jeter. You know what I like is they went back to thicker stock on Allen and Ginter. I'm actually very happy about that. Ginter back, Jeremiah Paprocki for the Cubs. Landon Donovan. Willie Stargell. Be Real. Nice. Landsteiner. And our next relic is for the Astros. Lance McCullers Jr. For the Astros. So we got one more hit coming in this box. Like I said, the autos and this stuff are hard to hit, but usually they're worth it if you get one. Another image variation, Jared Hart, singer or songwriter. Not sure for who. Never heard of him. Our mini is Sutcliffe, regular back. Ichiro for the Mariners. Alexander Hamilton and Raymond Burr. House. Dave House. Not sure. Yu Darvish. Charlotte North. Who doesn't know who that is? Thomas. Hawaii Volcanoes. Alex Rodriguez. Ozzie Albies. Jameson. Mike Schmidt. Hank Bauer. Miguel Cabrera. Roger Clemens. Gurriel is a Ginter back. Horowitz. Benny Horowitz. Oh, musician. Ronnie Chang. Fernando Tatis variation for the Padres. Ice Cream Day. Going to Sean. No Julio Rodriguez's yet either. No minis or Max Scherzer. Monty Irving. Haven't seen him in a product in a while. Matt Hamilton. Clayton Kershaw. And for the Yankees. Going to Desky. Garrett Cole. Castillo. Cayenne Pepper. Garcia. Sandberg. Nola. Konerko. Stephen Kwan for the Guardians. Sanchez. Louis Robert. Black border. Goldschmidt. Brock. Witt Jr. and Verlander. Witt Jr. is a regular back. No Julio in that box. We did get the rip card box topper. Oh my god. There's too many things to say. And I cannot say them. So yeah, I like this product. It's cheap enough. It's not going to break the bank. You get a ton of stuff in it. This is one I used to do a personal case rip of back in the day. In my opinion, I think there's just too much in it now. The set's too big, but we got an oversized box topper and all of our boxes. So the other thing on Whatnot that I've got to work around is I don't think you can use an actual website. You have to use your phone. So when I do my first live, I'm probably going to do like a 25 or 30 card auction. Do real quick minute auctions. So I can kind of get an idea. So you guys might catch a real good deal if I do that. Because a lot of people pay attention to the ones that go on for a couple hours. But yeah, I just want to get a feel for how it works. I'm starting to get a box together for cards that are going to be specifically for Whatnot, I think. So yeah. Something that I'm going to try. Just another way to build our community and the business a little bit. Especially now, starting very soon, I'll be getting things directly from Topps. So for some reason, my monitor went down. There we go. So yeah, I'll be getting more products. So I'm going to have more avenues. The group is kind of, I guess, rejecting hobby. Like, for retail, which, you know, retail is a couple dollars cheaper, but you don't get a shot at a lot of the hits that are in hobby. So I guess it depends what kind of collector you are. But also, with Whatnot, I'll be live several days from the shop. I don't know if I'll be doing nighttime or daytime. Probably nighttime, because I still got to work around my kids, and my kids will be at the shop sometimes after school, so there's that. But that's still, I'm guessing, I was optimistic in opening in December. I don't think it's going to happen until probably January at the earliest, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm going to start moving stuff next week, Thanksgiving week, and just really getting stuff going. And our box topper, which might, I gotta see if I got any top loaders. It's gonna go to, it's going to the Mets, so I don't have to worry about it. I'll give that to a kid at the shop. I'm a Mets fan. All right, here we go. National Dog Day. Drew Rosenhaus, Soto, Piazza. I thought that said Jason Mewes, and it kind of sort of looks like him. Ashby. So like, I didn't know he was in this. Donovan. Goose. And I'm a big Clerks / Kevin Smith fan, so Thurman Munson. I gotta see what kind of Thurman Munson's in this. Manny Machado. There, is that Julio? No, that's A-Rod. William McCovey. Rob Riggle. The first Yankees female manager, A&G back. Field Yates, that's who I thought it was. Jordan. TJ Osborne. Todd Helton. Black border. All right, next stack. DeGrom. Ripken Jr. Vidal Brujan for the Rays. Is it not Danny Glover, is it? Yeah, it is Danny Glover. Brooks Robinson. Blake Grice. Winder. Schwarber. Mini. And more. We got our first hit coming up under this mini. Louis Robert, and our first hit is going to be out of 99 for the Giants, Buster Posey. Is that a rip card? Yep, it's another rip card. Wow. 2 rip cards. So I will be ripping 2 cards. I think I got the Giants. I do. I'll be ripping 2 cards in the next video. Jackie Robinson, Cal Raleigh. Kendall Toole. National Nurses Day, Cronenworth. The only thing about this stock cards, you got to go slow because they stick together. Like this card right here. Jonathan Taylor. Wow. So, just so you guys know, that non-sports spot will have autographs of Jonathan Taylor, Bradley Beal, and any other sports guy that is in there. So that's a sneaky good spot. I had it underpriced. Peter Alonso, Kyle Yastrzemski, DJ LeMahieu, a Dust Storm. I mean, the autographs are hard to hit. So Morgan Murphy, Aaron Judge. There we go. Julio Rodriguez. Just want to see something. 221. That wouldn't be a short print spot, I don't think. It used to be in the 300s. Brandon Marsh, rookie. Very nice. Ricky Henderson, Derek Jeter, Xander Bogaerts, Meatball Hero for Foods, and nice Seiya Suzuki for the Cubbies. Seiya Suzuki. He doesn't have many rookie cards out there, guys, and he's really good, that Suzuki kid. Not telling you what to do, but if you like stuff with low counts, Suzuki might be your dude. Davey Cuts. I'm guessing he's a barber of some kind. Sendog. Seiya Suzuki. Grushka. This guy's relics are going for wicked tons of money. And they're all made out of shirts like that. And our next for Mr. Bain. Hits again. Ronald Acuna Jr. relic. Very nice. So we'll do one more hit out of this box. Is that Joe Carter? Yeah, Joe Carter. Famous rivals, Yankees and Red Sox. That'll go to the Yankees because I don't need that card, and I don't think anybody put. Oh no, he got both teams. So a Burop, Griffey, Charlie Berens. Griffey again. Will Smith for the Dodgers. Torque. Juan Gonzalez used to be one of my favorite players growing up. 09 for the Angels. I remember writing him, and they sent me a facsimile autograph. Tom Seaver for the Mets. Our last hit is going to be, oh my, is that the dude from? No, that's Chris Hansen. Scott Hansen. Thought Topps was having a sense of humor. And that's going to go to Sean. Thomas, De La Cruz, Lodolo, and Mays. So we got the three big rookies. We got Torque, Julio, and Witt. So that's a good thing. I still don't think we have a set, so I'm guessing it's going to take probably 4 boxes to get a set. Well, here we go. We got Torkelson, Scott Hansen, Ronald Acuna Jr., Seiya Suzuki, Julio Rodriguez, Bobby Witt Jr., Garrett Cole, Lance McCullers Jr., and David Wright. And we also got 2 rip cards, which fell to my spots, so I'll be ripping them in the next video. Thanks, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.